Minia Sembiaka. I
Some passports.
Mejai. And then we feel Shaka Hislop no. Asa Babontin, we free hospital Abefi. No, the video be a Babontin. I'm sad, Nasam no canoe. I was in crowd, we take a crack.
What a 24 was, this has been. Listen, every so often life gives you a moment to pause, and this was mine. There's so much I have to be thankful for. My wife, kids, family, loved ones, friends, people I've shared a space with over the years and have lost touch with for whatever reason, and I've reached out either directly or indirectly. Thank you. My response now has to be to seek out the best medical opinion that I can get and listen to what my doctors have to say. In closing, I'd like to say thanks to Dan and the ESPN family, the camera operators, the medical staff at the Rose Bowl, all who responded in the way that they did and afforded me the care that I got. Thank you. I know now that even when we argue and disagree, I have the fullest support of each and every one of you. I'm looking forward to getting back, doing what I enjoy doing most. See you in a bit.
The Yamiadum, Newe, okay, Ibia, come on. Now, a vampire said he would get the right medical attention and then he would come back to doing what he loves doing. And you'd be a CIA, would have Fina, Dr. Casamen, could no 1 week. So, my fear about
no cray. No cray.
We open a Dabian, the man, quite Nicuano Pebiano. I fear about Diminka.
Yeah,
you get a point. Nippon Kwanedi, Bibiao. The ability to get up and go and do what you do all the time and come back. Koku and Yadikitwagra. Until we na basani the in a besum.
Some passports.
Yes.
Air Bompire said, Bibia. We betray ye. Naya Kama. I said, Nifie. Mira, Osasuna, a copy more cast. Court of Arbitration for Sports, our Switzerland. Na Osasuna na nche bia UEFA eyi omo free conference league omo qualify mo how ne say UEFA said 10 years ago match fixing bi ko so a na CA Club Atletico Osasuna omo ka ho bi eno ntino ya twon na so na we no omo so fa omo krata na omo fa omo lawyers na omo ko PM Switzerland na omo de omo krata koma the Court of Arbitration for Sports omo yes see omo ye yefrim ntimodama munye bibi mayen and a Court of Arbitration for Sport no aso appeal no mayenum which has granted a stay of execution na no chair say there Osasuna Conference League e be born 2023-24 season no na nka omo ko ka Chelsea won say omo ye clubs no mo ko Europe ni bi but Osasuna is omo yi omo afri ma omo no ombe ko Europe no makosi akai nti some bit of good news for fans and all stakeholders of Club Atletico Osasuna. Bayern Munich akopiem ewo Asia. So omone Manchester City never bo. Na press conference ne koko so no press conference e ko so no Joshua Kimmich. Oni ni coach ene ko na Joshua Kimmich eden sem kakra tuja Mira. Joshua Kimmich ne kan se na tisa sempa itia Mira o se onko ba bia enti no no agasa.
Ja, mir geht's gut, weil uns geht's gut.
Tintini nyina and Joshua Kimmich say na nyoma si ba abonti ana nsem ekoso say obe free team no mu no ene o ka chiro bia say onu Joshua Kimmich obekwa nche bia ene betodwa say Bayern Munich na omoni titemu say Aurelien Tchouameni nka kwan beda no ho a omunyo mo pe na emre bi atwem no nanka Joshua Kimmich oye untouchable or by Munich team but this summer he's one of the touchables nke betimi de nsa akoka no na yetimi aka se obra na besi akan mai nemum he said that two just obetna Sabina Stras no sina kan e de ama team no in the course of the season and now no pay abetodwa say Liverpool at the bid akọ there is club to club discussion between Liverpool and Southampton for Romeo Lavia. Naim said they've agreed personal terms with him. The boy wants to play for Liverpool.
Yeah.
But Omoma making the better offer. Chelsea.
Chelsea now making. Omona mechezo pe Romeo Lavia.
Of course. Omunya kai said we are next option. Next target. Romeo Lavia.
Chelsea has the
the Chelsea have offered better terms package to him. but he has agreed personal terms with
Super
Liverpool.
Sports.
And on the camp, no, we're not happy. Say, other they agree personal terms, another club to club level, no, come Bianco. So this is an 18, 19-year-old boy. Chelsea Ankasan. Offered Manchester City called Southampton last summer. Price now Southampton to they offered that money to Southampton. Some money na mo fa akra mai. Chelsea attempted to sign Lavia last summer.
Yes.
Sikana Southampton to Manchester City.
Agomon catch almost Sika. Now I'm for boy in mom.
Then Manchester City intervened. Said Manchester City next summer they have a £40 million buyback option.
Oh, okay.
Into I'm gonna intervene in last summer. Said the boy can't move. I feel near town. Into I'm some development in the Senebeko. So after 1 year of development, Chelsea found Joe Schultz also. They came from Southampton. So they have a fair idea how things work there. Chelsea have people and they buy. So they've offered the better terms. Arsenal are also actively in touch with the boys' agency. They've agreed a personal terms with Liverpool, but Liverpool £35 million bid has been turned down. And Akrano is expecting that Liverpool would increase their bid because Southampton pay 50 million. And Liverpool feels that after just one season, they shouldn't be paying that money.
50 million.
Even in a crazy market. And Southampton is no problem. Now, come on, Markrana Tnefiene in expectations, and your best. But until Liverpool, ebe raise offer another second bid abano. And then you may on the Bournemouth airbo preseason game. Obebobi. And no free wa. Omo catch Liverpool say next week Friday, Fiade be in na watch. Omo bo first game in the championship. So much no money Sheffield Wednesday nebebo. Bono they are expecting so obebo preseason now no first game. So it's a seller's market like I always say. Nebu ankasa 10 million.
But is it do 50?
Nebu na ankasa 10 million. We know. Because I feel no about top premier season, top flight season back.
And Okrazan the team now.
In the first rank 5 million, but that's you say no say the big count because of IMF ne Ukraine Russia and talk anything. And then 10 million amano. But they are trying to get 50 million. Now when it's connected to Fabinho's leaving. Fabinho didn't know when free Liverpool. It was clearly because of Sika. So he's on his way out apparently. But didn't know free Liverpool. Liverpool were waiting for the proof of payment from the bank. Says transfer is here complex no. Into any kramayasem.
Any kramayasem. Is Kasem and ended that. About kramayasem nan rebetum nidiana.
We can put the proof of payment. It is a proof of payment ne here. No one's a bank winners can be free about that say Swift and the man when you are transferring money from one country to the other. So it's connected. But Liverpool are in serious trouble. So Tom Henderson ne Fabinho, the replacement wouldn't be Lavia. They need another specialist number 6 or about 8.
There's a Muska.
Oh no, but some Muska.
There's a Muska.
So they have to spend.
Afina ze Muchi Adina.
Because the way it's going, Liverpool would need a centre back. Why on born be?
How much is your mobile?
Aye. Oh, heavy.
Minya Quine now. No,
yeah, baby. So my first choice centre back pair in the Frima. Liverpool need to get a centre back ASAP. In that 3 weeks now, and I said till 31st August. No, I will say Liverpool need 2 midfielders and 1 centre back. And so maybe I'm going to be top 4 next season. ABA.
I know crazy
because their middle and attack is deadly. Yeah, don't forget about goals no more. Look at the transition and our patterns now more the ball.
That feels so they be only as well. Dashman.
Oh no, but Kokusa assume
Dashman ball or ball away. Maybe for preseason I say, but other moves is you know.
Brass.
Or you comfortable as improvement be a mojini.
So you want to with your fire Almeria first season he was underwhelming. So second season the Benfica for no who and you're on one of the first season. And look, Dashman the biggest attribute in movement. You see it, Obobo now, Obi Kran Kancho. We nya DBI Dimbia. So I say, Diabo Pia. No dashing you across on you too. What match? Watch on you 2 goals.
That way,
What
is your dashi.
Yeah, but it's part of it.
Some passports.
Yeah, Mujabo, just my catch yourself. Say, I mean, look the centre back no. Sad way in me pay Icardi as no. It made me develop a special kind of love for Icardi. Look, centre back no who so omo ko ichira. Nana dwen so okosoro. Ohu ya no so abafom. Kwaku wesu boy enche Cavani onzo bi na chere.
Dabi.
Oh, he's another guy. Icardi, Cavani. Oh, Nana. Oh, yes, Okoha. Or do be Ramsey. But he needs to find the end product. And I think he's finding it. Only a matter of time. Liverpool will lose Salah. No, only a matter of time. The end where poster boy must start the project in the channel.
Oh, okay.
Nobody fits the bill like he is.
So, she said the name is going to be about a season. We be in a final.
It could easily be.
Mohamed Salah.
It could easily be.
Why there pa? I bet Africa.
Oh no, but maybe some catch you say. Which me the fact then he's the best African attacker to have played in the Premier League. No. I mean, and with the numbers he gets, and I've told you that Saturday, we Ian Rush Mufriwa, well, he's better than Fowler.
Salah
he's better than Owen. He's been better than Torres.
Wow.
He's been better than Suarez. But Suarez is a better footballer.
Yes.
I mean, first Nana Komudi, McManaman, John Barnes, Liverpool Bodin. He's
Some passports.
Or in the modern era, he's their greatest attacker.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mo Salah.
He fits the bill. Obianwa fitted the Saudi for he's the right guy. He's the most popular player in the MENA region.
Passports.
Yes.
Middle East, North Africa.
Yeah.
He's the poster boy of that region.
No Kokan Benzema.
Benzema is out. Benzema is not one of them.
Benzema the Omuhun is as
or France.
Or your France in India on there.
But we know a poster boy. It's only a matter of time, okay, they will get him. Only a matter of time. So what did saying? It's only a matter of time.
I was all 32 or 32.
Only a matter of time. Only a matter of time.
Be okay.
Only a matter.
Now Philippines they are not can be. Now
I'm so happy. But who's and Grano do na yango mo grumo.
Be your buhema we ne mama fi no way. We ne mama fi US. We ne papa fi ha. We ne papa fi ha we be all mu din no kra no hwa. Do na din ni kro din e dane.
You have to go back to school.
Yes.
Now it's UNBB crying. It's a gift. But then Mark, I'm a Catholic. You know
yeah.
Because I'm a Roman for power mostly. And that is my patrol. Some
passports.
Far phone. I come also far phone. Call Google. Well, baby, I will be follow me. Let's do this process. Google. Who call Google? Ni we are. Type it AU. O type
Google ni we are.
AU.
Now I type
A for Abraham. U for Union.
AU.
Good. Na for space to them.
Space at two.
Na type pair. PAIR. I'm pairing two people.
IR.
Now run a search on AU pair or O pair. Run a search on it.
AU pair. Mean search on. Massage.
Yeah. A program they run across Europe.
Oh, okay.
Mufa Philippines for the doors. They come as domestic workers in Europe.
Oh, okay.
I've given you a free gift.
We always know crowd Oxford Mall explanation. A young foreign person, typically a woman, who helps with a housework or childcare.
Good.
In exchange for food, a room, and some pocket money.
Absolutely.
And
I've given you a gift.
Good.
Wow. And they are all over Scandinavia, all over Europe. A lot of them. A lot of them. And so I met a lot of them. I made friends, Filipino friends, a lot of them. So as I said. They even started teaching me their language.
Told me kakakra.
They me break. Because but Merry Christmas, they be seen there. in Filipino, me that's okay. What?
You can say
Maligayan Pasco.
Super Sports.
Maligayan Pasco.
Marigayan.
Maligayan Pasco. Merry Christmas.
Oh, okay. Marigayan Pasco. Was it?
Merry Christmas is a party.
Sacre de sopa zone day. Sacre de sopa zone day. Sacre de sopa zone day.
Merry Christmas. I
Maligayan Pasco. Go kun say how na free. So who say awo mu bebre wo Europe now until say that is it. That is it.
Be your man, say, I want to feel now. You have been coming.